afternoon, everyone. So today I'm going to be doing a demonstration on just how to like quickly put on a unit. It is a lace closure unit that I made, and right now I'm just doing the foundation because the foundation does matter under your units. I like to do like medium-sized braids. They last longer, number one, and number two, it's just a flatter foundation, because you don't want to walk around feeling like you have speed bumps in your head. I always put oil on people's scalp. Why? I don't over oil it or grease it or whatever you want to say, because you don't want anything to be sliding or nothing like that. But this is very essential when it comes to keeping your hair, maintaining your hair underneath, because I'm a big advocate on healthy hair, and I do like my wigs. I love my wigs, but I like it for you to be able to wear your hair outside of the wig. She was like, oh, it has seeds in it and it smells really good. And you heard what she said. She said it feels good. Your customers will appreciate that. Like, you just put a little oil, or yourself, your scalp appreciates you. I just apply a little amount on her edges just to make sure they're, you know, under the wig and not above the wig, because you still want to have an illusion that could possibly be her hair. And I also parted her hair the way I did, and I braided the way I did, because the way I'm gonna put the wig on is gonna be a center part. I like for your real scalp to show through the lace to make it look a little bit more natural, where as natural as possible. So I'm just combing her edges back. It's my Virgin Brazilian. The length is 18, 20, and 22 in it. And the reason why I have it in 3 different lengths, because it gives it a soft layer without you actually having to cut it, unless you just want to cut it. The band is perfect for on and off. And I sew it down to make sure, you know, it doesn't go anywhere. You can wash it and it's not gonna go nowhere. Like, you have to cut it off. And as you guys can notice, I did not cut her lace yet. Just wanna see how it's gonna fit. So now I'm about to pluck it around the hairline, and I do pluck it before and after if I'm installing it, because it goes on I like to go off the hairline. And to me, high combs is the best way to lay down frontals and closures. So now I'm about to cut the lace, and when I cut it, I'm not cutting it in a direct straight line, because you don't want, because it is lace, so it's not real scalp, so you don't want the lace part to look like this straight in the sunlight, because sun will show all imperfections. I use edge wax. I tried a lot of different ones, so I like this one because it's not oily to me. After a while, it is not oily. So I'm going to start reusing my spritz. See, this is what I mean by glueless, y'all. When you could do that, that's glueless. Okay, so now I'm gonna start styling her. When I start styling, I still like to, you know, add some layering to it. And you do not have to spray each row. I don't. I just spray when I feel it's needed. Heat protecting. We spray my heat protecting, but too much heat will damage it, period. No matter what product you're using. I like to curl it too before I layer it, just because All right, y'all, this is her finished look. And like I said, this is a lace closure, 5x5. So this is the Brazilian body wave, 18-20-22. And I will have it on the website, so